Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out or sign out from your Google Drive account on your Android phone. If your Drive is showing the wrong account or you want to switch to another one, this video is for you. So, let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down and tap on Accounts or Passwords and Accounts, depending on your phone model. Next, tap on Google. Here you'll see all the Google accounts currently signed in on your phone. Select the account that's connected to your Google Drive. Once you open it, tap on Remove Account at the bottom. A pop-up will appear. Tap Remove Account again to confirm. That's it. You've successfully logged out from Google Drive on your Android phone. So that's how you can easily log out Google Drive accounts on Android. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick Android tips. See you in the next video.